side load this fucking bulldozer. And I'm gonna be using my GoPro. See right here? I'm gonna check it out. Fuck is that fucking vibration? God damn. Motherfucker got a weird ass fucking vibration in it. But anyways, we'll try this shit out. I don't know how this is gonna look, but we're gonna try this out. Got my GoPro. Gonna do a little side loading, bird's eye view. I'll try to talk y'all through this. I'm hoping this don't take fucking forever, because I tried to, anyway. What I'm doing is I'm coming up to get sideways to the trailer. Alright? Just like so. What I like to do is I like to tilt my blade this way. That way it don't rip it. Just enough for the cleats to catch. Alright, then you pick it up and you ease up real gently. You're gonna have a little bit of tilt over. I mean, that's to be expected right there. And you come up here about halfway on the trailer, spin her sideways. Make sure you don't hit your fucking gooseneck back there. And then once you get it on there, line it up. Kick your blade around. I feel like I'm off. Just like such.